When you ask people what they think about when they think about Michigan, they'll quite often talk about our manufacturing strength, but hardly ever will you hear them talk about our product development strength. That part of the value chain of manufacturing, there is simply nobody better than Michigan. And what we do here at the Centrepolis Accelerator is we work with companies that have ideas for physical products, and we bring all that talent that is already here to help support their mission and bring their idea to life.
There's a lot of startups in this region who have a great idea, but they don't have the resources and technology to be able under one roof to really speed the development cycle. That's what this lab is really for. Whether it's a physical lab or a digital lab, we can bring that information to life.
This has been a wonderful dream for both the city and the university to create a collaborative space to take advantage of all the new technologies and to showcase how those resources can work together.
So it's very unique that we have the technical and professional services and mentors available to help companies with physical products design, engineer, and start manufacturing products and grow their business. We're really poised to really help Michigan grow manufacturing, which we're known for.
The strength and the vitality of a vibrant community is the result of key institutional partners working together towards a common objective.
We have companies moving here and they're looking for talent. We need to retain talent here. And this center is one of the ways, it's a great tool to do that.
I think that's the real strength moving forward, and to be able to have a go-to-market strategy that you can say, hey, I can go from this concept to prototyping to a finished product in the box ready for the market in such a short time. I think that's invaluable, and that wouldn't have been possible without the Accelerator program.
By celebrating the opportunity of the Centrepolis Accelerator, it's a way to inspire the future generation that Michigan is a home for manufacturing.
An event like today is verifying that our country is moving in the right direction. And I can go back to Washington and say it's working. The message, the partnership, the federal dollars that we allocate toward manufacturing and for facilities like we're in today, it is truly working.